Now, MS is a neurological condition which is caused by damage to the myelin. Now, the myelin is the coating that protects the nerve fibers that's responsible for transmitting electrical signals from the brain and to other parts of the body. And so when the myelin is damaged, this leads to scarring or lesions in parts of the brain or the spinal cord, and so the nerve fibers are not as effective in transmitting the signals, or they're not able to transmit the signals at all. Now, you know that your immune system has a protective function of attacking any foreign agents such as viruses, bacteria, fungi, and destroys them. Now, what happens is that your immune system becomes faulty and thinks that the myelin is a foreign agent, and then by mistake attacks the myelin. So the word multiple sclerosis, multiple as in lesions which are scattered over the brain or the spinal cord, and sclerosis comes from scarring of the brain of the spinal cord. So what causes multiple sclerosis? Now, there is no known single cause for MS, and it's thought to be due to an interplay of genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors. So far, there has been no specific gene that has been shown to be inherited for MS, but it has been found that there is an increased risk of MS if you have a first-degree relative, such as a parent or sibling with MS. The risk of MS is also increased due to factors such as viruses, where you might have Epstein-Barr virus, known as EBV, which is the cause of glandular fever, as well as the virus that causes measles. Another cause is smoking, whether it's active or passive smoking. So even if you're in a pub or a bar, just by inhaling somebody's smoke, you'll be classed as a smoker. It has also been found that low levels of vitamin D, especially in adulthood, is a risk factor for MS, as well as obesity in childhood and adulthood, and it's thought that the excess weight can lead to low vitamin D levels as well as inflammatory processes in the body. MS has been found to be quite common in temperate countries like England, Canada, the Scandinavian regions, whereas it's less common in countries closer to the equator where you have plenty of sunshine, where incidentally there is high exposure to vitamin D. Do remember that being obese or just having low vitamin D levels or just smoking does not mean, oh, I'm going to have MS. So there is much more at play here. As I said, there is an interplay of genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors.